Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to create desktop shortcut key of Windows accessories. So when you type anything in the start, like Windows accessories, it will show nothing. Here you can see search stop is nothing. So I don't want to go again and again here in the start and all apps and then find Windows accessories and then take one notepad, pen or remote control. I really don't want to waste this time on this stuff. So I want to take my all regular use accessories on the desktop. So how to do this? It's simple. First go to start and then click on all apps and go down. Here click on Windows accessories and first I will take notepad. Just right click on the notepad and click on more here and then click on open file location. Okay, boom. Right click again here notepad and then click on sign to desktop shortcut. That's it. And your one notepad is on desktop shortcut key and you can easily use. So like this, do this method to all your daily use tools like Paint. Right click, go more, click on more and file location, and here already selected, just right click and then sign to desktop. So it's desktop now. Yeah, you can do this all these things. Go to all apps and search the Windows accessories, and this time I'm going to take sticky notes. Yeah, it's regular use. Click on more, click on open file location and sign to desktop. Boom. So like this you can take all your regular use tools to on desktop, because if you search one by one it will take a lot of time, so we don't want to waste that time. So take on the desktop. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.